to say goodbye. We remember the times when you were there for us, Sir Ness. Through the many years, you helped us really see that you were always there for us. You stood close to us like a friend, there for us until the end.
We will never forget you, sir. The things you helped us through, you saw our inspiration, it is you. You were always there when we needed you. We will always have great memories of you.
You would ask, you would ask us, how are you doing? We would say we're fine. As tears start forming our eyes, you always knew that we were really not fine.
Sir, you are someone that we want to be like. We found out who that person is. That person is you. We hope that you remember us through your days. You have touched our hearts in so many ways.
We look up to you, sir, and we see a ray of sunshine shining in on us. We knew God sent us one of His angels when He sent you to us. You help us through it all, coming to save us every time we fall, sir. If we could say one word, that wouldn't tell it all. We are so happy to have you with us, Ernest. You help us to really see what we couldn't see. You help us to find the real us. You turned us into the beautiful person we were meant to be. If we say goodbye to you, Sir Ness, we will just fall apart because you have always been in our hearts. We don't want to lose you. You care about us, and we care about you too. We remember the day we first met you, and you met us. It was like it was really meant to be. You are someone we hold close to our hearts. There we know that we will never be apart. We love you, Sir Nestor. Good luck on your next journey. Happy retirement.